So, for Nanjo and Jess, we need a
Nanjo
relationship.
isn't a man. He's a god, a beautiful animal, a sex panther come to life.
It's true.
God of Nanjo.
James, something thinks about the jacket.
Relationship.
Yeah.
Nanjo is God.
Sex Panther trainer.
Wait, what?
What?
A god and his devotee.
Well, Nanjo clearly loves that idea.
I'm thinking God and like priest.
Okay, can we actually not do that?
Yeah, that might be a little bit
That might be
sacrilegious.
sketchy. You're right. That might be sketchy.
Cult leader and cult member.
Oh shit!
Gotcha.
Cult leader and vending machine.
Oh, I want to be the cult leader.
Wait, whoa!
You already are.
Cult leader and vending machine repairman?
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
You know, that one, like janitor and person living in closet is so crazy. It just might work.
Do you want to do that?
Cult leader and vending machine repairman.
Okay, I
I
got
looked at
this.
the almost empty vending machine, and that's how I got the idea.
Alright.
All right.
Wait, can I do that?
Tell me.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Alright, tell me when.
Whenever you guys are ready, off you go.
Hey there, have you heard of the New York Public Research Interest Group?
The what?
The New York Public Research Interest Group. NIPER.
Hey! Christian beat you to that joke.
I haven't heard of it actually. It
Well,
sounds
you know what else you haven't heard?
complicated.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo.
Oh, okay. No, I haven't heard that since back in like the 90s when that kind of music was popular. Well, listen.
Have you registered to vote?
I have not. Well, the thing is, I'm here from a vending machine corp where our motto is, why did you come on the floor? I'm here to repair the vending machine, or restock it, or whatever. I need to assess the vending machine.
Okay. I understand you need to assess this. Well, you know what? Everything's better down where it's wetter.
Oh dear.
So...
Is there like a flood in the basement where the vending machine is?
Yeah, so, see, let me tell you. So, we're having like these water postcards where we're trying to get people to, like, support of Governor Cuomo's Drinking Water Quality Council. So if you could just sign this, that would be like such a great help because we can have that photo. So
Alright.
yeah, just do that before you fix the vending machine. So if you want either one.
Sure. You know, back in the 20s, you know what my dad said about water?
Whoa, you're that old?
My dad.
Oh, it's your dad. Okay.
My dad said, masticate 20 times before fucking.
Cool.
Yeah, I don't know why he always said it. Like, before meals, before he like consumed anything. That's what he would say. Masticate 20 times before fucking. Like, sometimes even between bites, it's like, I'm a masticate. I didn't get it.
See, you know what he didn't do? He didn't sign a water postcard.
I
That's his
suppose
problem.
he didn't.
And he didn't register to vote.
No. I suppose that was the problem.
You know what else he didn't do today? He didn't call Governor Cuomo.
Fucking god.
Because you know what else?
What?
What's new, pussycat? Yeah, did
sorry.
you call Governor Cuomo?
I didn't.
Did you not hear me?
No, I'll
Get
call
your
him.
phone. Yeah, get your phone and call about the pipelines. Call about the pipelines, messing up the water supply.
Yeah. Governor Cuomo, I have something to say to you. It's the final countdown. This is the weirdest hold music ever.
Sometimes they even they hang up. Like I call Governor Bushwald, but his real name is Buckwald. I've had.
God damn it. So are you gonna let me fix the vending machine or not? That's what I'm here to do.
The vending machines are nothing within NIPER's parameters. It's downstairs, but you just happen to walk by and you look like a student, so I was like, I have to ask.
Yeah.
So the vending machines are yours?
Yeah, and cake is so sweet, so nice. What happened? Yeah. We had cake in the office today, so I was like,
Is
Make
that
cafe?
left over?
no.
Damn.
Well, it's only for NIPERG interns. Well, let me tell you about the NIPERG internship.
Oh.
What about the knife?
Well, if you want 4 credits, I got you. Because
Vending machine
we're
repair?
not a cult. We're not a
Or
cult.
knife. Vending machine repair. Or 4 credits.
Or. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna stick to the vending machine repair.
How
actually.
dare you? How dare you not join my wonderful cult?
Well, I'm sorry. You smell like poop.
Yeah, I kind of do.
Well, I'm gonna go fix the machine now.
You go do that.
I like to believe that when Jess started screaming, it was like the NIPERG demons stood revealing their true form.
And Nanjo's at the vending machine.
Nanjo was fully committed. Also, you weren't acting that entire time. You were not acting.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, I wasn't acting.
You were not acting. That was